Hi, here is a React interview question. Implement a button and timer that will start from 10 and ends at 0 and track the counter until the timer expires and button should disappear once the timer expires. So what happen is my timer starts from 10 like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and I have a button. On clicking the button my counter will increase from 0. Like if I click a button once it will be 1, then 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. So if my timer reaches to 0, my button should disappear and I should display the count. So let's implement it. Let's make a text that will show our count and for a timer. Then let's make a button. So click me. Let's make a on click event here. On click uh, handle click. Then let's make a handle click function. Let's make a state that will hold our count. So set count, use state. It will start from 0. Then on clicking the button we will increase our time count by 1. Okay, let's import the use state. Yes, so if I show my count here, my count is increased. Now let's work for timer. Let's make a use effect event. Now we need to run the set timeout function. So set timeout function will run the function every second. So let's pass a callback function where let's make a state a const timer set timer use state. So initially my time will be 10 seconds. So 10 multiply with millisecond because the time works by the millisecond. So let's make a millisecond now. So what we will do is timer, I will explain it quickly. So what I am doing is I am running the set timeout function every 1 second. So every 1 second it will decrease my timer by 1 second. Okay, so initially my time is 10 second and every 1 second I am decreasing my timer by 1 second. Okay, so uh, yes, if I put my timer here, let me divide it by 1000 again so that. So what happen is my timer is stopped at 9 because this is use effect function and it will run only once. To run it again we need to add the dependency array. So dependency what happen dependency array. So what will happen is my timer will change and this use effect will run again. Okay, now my timer is running. Okay, so after it goes to 0 second my timer is again going on a minus because I am subtracting it. So let's do a check here. If timer is not equal to 0 then only it will run. Okay, yes, so if my timer is not equal to 0 second then only I should show my button. Okay, so it is hidden in 0 second. Now let's do it 10. Let's refresh and let's click the button. Yes, so it worked. Thank you.